Develop a project management plan with defined tasks, timelines, resources, and budget. Identify and analyze potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Assign tasks and responsibilities to project team members. Implement effective communication channels to keep stakeholders informed. Monitor progress against the plan and identify any deviations or issues. Then, there's the monitoring phase. This is all about keeping an eye on the project's progress. Are the tasks being completed on time? Are we sticking to the budget? Regularly track progress, identify any variances from the plan, and take corrective actions as needed. Manage risks and issues proactively to minimize their impact on the project. This phase allows for adjustments to be made if things are veering off course. Finally, there's the closing phase. This is where the project is finalized and delivered. It's also the time to reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how things can be improved for future projects. This phase formally completes the project and ensure all deliverables are met. It is important to conduct a lessons learned review to identify areas for improvement and document them for future projects.